Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to show you a quick solution about Facebook's unexpected error occur. But before anything else, please subscribe to this channel if you want more tips and tricks just like this. If this has happened to you, you may have problems logging in your Facebook account, and there are several reasons for this to happen. So there might be a glitch or a bug on Facebook that they need to fix, or probably you may have tried to attempt to log in too many times. One more thing might be their server is down, and one more problem could be some faulty updates that needed to be restarted right away, and that's causing the bugs or glitches happening on their apps. Now, one solution we could do is you could try clearing up your Facebook cache. Or on iOS, they call it offloading your app. So let's try going to settings. So let's go to settings right here, and then go to general, which is one right here. And then once you have entered general, go to iPhone storage. And then on the iPhone storage, find the app that you want to offload. So right now we're looking for Facebook, which is one right here. Now once you have found it, you can now tap on offload app and then confirm the message on the bottom below, which will offload the app. And then we will restart your Facebook account, which it means you need to log in your account again. Or in some cases, you might need to re-update the app on App Store if it prompts you to, which is another solution that can help you clear this kind of error. Now, if this error is still occurring, you can now try deleting the app, which is the bottom option right here. So delete the app and then confirm the message. And then you need to go to App Store again and then download the app and then reinstall it again on your mobile device. Now, the next one will require you to wait for it. Now, just like we mentioned, the server might be down. So we can wait patiently for 24 to 48 hours till the server is up and running again, because maybe they're fixing some glitches or bugs that they have that's causing many people to have problems when using their app. So you just wait patiently for probably 24 hours and then try logging in again. So now, hope that this tutorial helped you a lot. And if you have more questions, leave it in the comment section below. And that will be all for the video. So, thanks for watching.